Emergency alert, this is a test of the Hamilton County Alert System. No action required.
Nick Crossley is the man who hit the button this morning that made the message pop up on cell phones all over Hamilton County. It's the first test of the county-wide wireless alert system.
If you receive an emergency notification via this system, it's worth taking a look at, and it's worth taking action if you're in the danger zone.
If your phone was connected to a cell tower in Hamilton County this morning at 9, you should have received the alert. If this was a real emergency like severe weather, a hazardous materials leak, or even something like an active shooter, the information you need would have been right in the palm of your hand. You might not hear an outdoor warning siren, and your TV or radio have to be on in order to notify you. Wireless alerts are different.
Depending on the size of your house or where your office is, you should be able to hear the message, because it not only activates your phone, but it will activate it should activate your coworkers' phones.
It's a smarter alert system in the age of smartphones. Those alerts are also evolving. In the months ahead, it might be possible for agencies like Hamilton County's Emergency Management Agency to push out specific information to people in specific areas, things like maps and more detailed information about where you need to go to get out of harm's way. From Mount Adams, Andrew Setters, WLWT News 5.